Welcome to a video I am very excited to make because I'm very excited to test and use this product. Not because I have anything going on with this company, but because I need it to work. Losing that last 20 pounds of weight is not easy for me, even when I'm doing all the right things. I often feel sluggish throughout the day, and even if I get 8 hours of sleep every night in a row, I feel like getting out of bed is extremely hard and all day long is extremely hard. I am just always tired. And that's tied to my quality of sleep because I snore too much. It interrupts my sleep and it affects my sleep cycles. I'm gonna talk about that more in a minute with how I'm going to test this and know if I really think it works or not. But what's gonna be in this video? Well, first, I'm gonna talk about what this does or what it's supposed to do to help you out. Second, I'm gonna break down exactly how I'm gonna test it so you know if I thought I got true results or not. And third, I'll use it for the first time. I have no idea if there's anything noticeable, what it feels like, if it does anything, so we'll find out with that. So stick around to see what that experience is like. But first, what is this supposed to do? Well, snoring is when certain muscles relax. And I know I feel this because when I just start to drift off, and I'm not completely sleeping yet, but I'm on my way out, I'll actually feel these muscles relax. And sometimes I'll actually hear myself snore before I get into sleep so much that then I don't notice it. Exercise those muscles, the ones that are supposed to kind of hold firm when you're sleeping and you don't want them to relax that much. And it exercises them so it doesn't do that, reducing snoring and hopefully letting you get a lot better sleep. So you put the device in your mouth, it stimulates certain muscles, causes them to contract, and you're kind of exercising those snoring related throat, tongue muscles. Well, first, and the obvious is, how do I feel? Am I waking up feeling more refreshed? Am I able to get through the day better? Do I feel better at the end of the night, or am I, and this is something I really truly deal with, I can function as long as I keep moving to a degree, but as soon as I sit down, I want to relax, maybe get on my computer or hang out with the kids, my head will drop. I will fall asleep like I've been awake for 48 hours straight, and my body says, you will go to sleep. And I hate that because it might only be 7 o'clock at night. I shouldn't be doing that. And I think that's tied up with my quality of sleep. So how do I feel will be the first indicator. Second, my wife has been so abundantly helpful in giving me a daily report of how much my snoring impacted her. So I know that will continue, and I'll let you know what that report says after I use this and what she's thinking. Thank you very much, wife. And third, I sleep on an 8 sleep. And it sends me a daily report of a lot of different sleep metrics. You know, what kind of REM sleep did I get? What kind of deep sleep? How much was I in light sleep? How much do I snore? Because I have a snoring indicator. And to be honest, my snoring indicator is horrible. My REM and deep sleep, honestly, are not that bad. It'll be interesting to see if they improve. But the main indicators I'm looking for are obviously snoring, but the second is HRV. This is something I've been following more and more. It's something you want a little bit of a higher number on. When it's constantly low, it shows that your body is kind of always fighting things. It's not healing, it's not in a healthy state, and mine is ridiculously low. Most night it's 18 to maybe 28. I want to see that improve. And something that makes me extraordinarily jealous is every once in a while, my 9-year-old will fall asleep in my bed and I'll just let him sleep there for the night. And I'll wake up next morning, I'll get my report, which was really him sleeping in it, and the HRV will be about 150. So I am hoping, maybe I won't get that high, but I'm hoping for improvement there. So I have true metrics I'll report back on, how I feel, and what the wife says. But before we get too far, what comes in this box? Well, let's find out. Open that up, pop that off. Quick start guide. And looks like it's device and charger, pretty straightforward. So that device is not very big. Obviously, it's got to fit in your mouth. I can see some sensors or contact points on it. Definitely very pliable, moves around, so it's gonna be flexible in your mouth. We'll see how that feels in a second here. Oh, control unit. I thought that was a charger part. There we go. Almost looks like a USB-C extension cord if I am seeing that correctly. So straightforward, charge it, control unit, put this in your mouth, pretty easy. So let me figure out how to use this, how to go about it. I'll get back on camera and show you what the first time using it is like. See you in a second. All right, put a bit of a charge into this thing, so I'm good to go. So take the protective cap off, plug that in, and on my phone, I guess I will put this in my mouth. There's a start session 1 here. You can control the power. I was just looking into that a little bit or through the instructions and whatnot. So I'll put this in, I'm gonna be able to talk with it in my mouth, so I'll take it out, kind of pause it and let you know if it's really working, if you feel it, what it's all about. It's like a clicking on your tongue. It's not consistent. I thought it was gonna be like, you know, you felt your muscles, constrict for a while. It's not. It's like da 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 da. But you definitely feel it. So imagine at full power, it's gonna be quite noticeable. But at mid power, I definitely feel it. It's not painful. It almost reminds me of like getting touched an electric fence as a kid, but not in a painful way. Just that pulse you feel. So let me dial it up. It's not painful. It's different though. Okay, that's legit. I have no idea if this will work, if I'll see results from it. I got 2 more videos coming up. I'm gonna film one about halfway through my experience and just kind of what I'm noticing, if I'm starting to see things. They say it takes like 4 weeks for you start to have improvements in snoring. This is a long-term solution that improves muscle strength, and that takes time, obviously. And then I'll do a final review if I actually thought this was worth it. Because this is an expensive product, but I will tell you right now, if this helps me and I feel better every single day and overall health things are easier to come by and I just don't feel like I'm dragging, it'll be worth it for me personally. But I have no idea if it works, so subscribe for those videos. But at level 10, full power, I can feel my tongue. It almost feels like my tongue's just going, like it's making it flex. It's making the muscles constrict. It's making the muscles work. It does the pulses for a little while, then it gives you a little break, and then the pulses kick back on. I don't know the duration. I think it's 20-minute sessions. I can definitely sit there and do this at full power, no big deal. But I will definitely feel it. So hopefully that helps. Like I said, more videos coming up that will tell true results. I just wanted to show you what this is about and how I'm gonna test it. So subscribe for those future videos. But I'll keep testing, and I'll be back in about 4 weeks. So I'll catch you then. Until then, I hope you have a great one.